Simone Nicole TV, and that's on what? Period poo. So if you are new, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, comment down below, hit the bell notification, that way you know about my upcoming videos. So in this video, I'll be telling you guys about my I'll be telling you guys about my Beis bag. I unboxed it, and I unboxed it in a vlog, and I also did what fits in it. You guys really liked what fits in it, so that's why I decided to do a 1 year review. I believe it's been about 1 year. I believe I purchased it in November of 2020, but I'll post the videos in the link down below in case you guys want to watch those. And we're gonna go ahead and get into the video, and I'm gonna show you guys what the bag looks like when it comes to the wear and tear. Also, I just want to go ahead and thank you guys for commenting. There's been a lot of talking in my description box, and I love it. You guys have been commenting, you guys have been subscribing. I appreciate it so much. Like I've said before in previous videos, I'll be doing my first giveaway once I hit 500 subscribers, and I really want to hit those before the year's up. I want to hit that number before the year's up, and the sooner I hit that number, the sooner I'm able to give away something for you all. So this Beis work tote is not the large that they sell. This is the medium. I did not want the largest one because I just didn't have a need to have a bag that big for my personal use. Of course, I use this for work, and I use this for flying. It's nice to sit on the suitcase, your rolling suitcase. It's nice to put on the back of that while you're going through TSA, while you're going to the airport, because most of the time you do need 2 bags as a female. Ooh, there's some change in there. So this bag retails for about $128, I believe, or less than that. I can't remember. Like I said, I have the videos posted if you guys want to check those out. It's Beis, B-E-I-S, Beis Tote. It is a woman-owned brand, so we must support those, women and Black-owned, all day. So going from the outside, I would say that the handles held up pretty nicely. There's not a lot of indentation where it folds. I'll show you guys. So you can see right here where it folds. It kind of blends in with the type of design that I picked out. So it kind of works with the design. Even if it was a lot of indentation, it wouldn't be very noticeable to the naked eye, because you wouldn't be, who's gonna be that close to my bag besides me? Nobody. I don't know if this was white when I first received it, but it's definitely not white now. It's like a beige color, a beige brown tint to it. Don't know if it's dirty or not, but it's definitely not white. So, okay, going to the exterior with the pockets. So I've noticed right here that there's like thread. Can you guys see that? There's like some thread coming off of the bag. Maybe from rubbing up against my body, maybe just rubbing up against other bags, because I do store it sometimes in my suitcase when I'm not using it. But as you can see, I'm gonna pull on it a little bit just so you guys can see what I'm talking about. It's a little bit of material hanging off on that side. And then also here at the bottom, there's a bit of wear. Material also hanging off right there. You can see, you know, this is not really a big deal because it's the bottom of the bag, but this right here is super noticeable. I wouldn't want to walk out with this hanging off. I would actually cut it off just to make it look more clean and look like how it did when I first purchased it and first received it. I do a pretty good job of taking care of my items, so there's no stains from anything. I didn't spill anything on it. On this side, the zipper, there's a zipper on this side of the bag, and it still has the smooth, well, nothing's in it right now, so it's not gonna be really smooth, nothing's in it to have it taut, but the zipper works just fine still. There's no type of glazing issue. It works as if it was brand new. So yeah, and you can still see how it says Beis on there, B-E-I-S. On the zipper pull, haven't had any issues with that. And then another zipper on the back, also pretty good, no issues. I have some change. I just have change from some quarters, dimes. I don't know where all this change came from. Oh, I have my ebony wood samples that I received a while back. I don't remember where I was when I got this, but y'all, Cara Monique has been selling this out with telling y'all about it. I bought this, well, I received this sample before she even mentioned it on her channel, and it smells really good. But now, honey, it's all sold out everywhere. Sold out everywhere. Oh, I have this inside. What does it say? The aim of education is to teach us how to think, not what to think. Ooh, we like that. We like that one. A little stained. And it's been a couple of months, to be honest, since I've used this. The zipper on the bottom also. There's one on the bottom, of course, if you want to put it on top of your suitcase, like I said, or just keep it closed and use it as a pocket. So that works just fine too. We don't have any zipper issues. And then the top zipper, let's see. You guys can see also how the material matches. This right here matches the bag. Let's see about zipping it open. Yeah, smooth like butter. So I don't think I've had any issues with the interior of the bag. Nothing fell apart, nothing was loose or thread coming loose. The zippers inside feel just as nice as they do on the exterior. And we love the compartments. We love the compartments of the bag. Of course, this comes inside of it, which is a plus, a big plus with this bag. The buttons still latch on nicely. I don't have issues with the buttons. They didn't get, you know how sometimes things get stretched out, like with screws or like, I don't know the term, but sometimes when you use things over and over that has like a concave method of buckling up, sometimes it like strips it and it becomes too loose to where it won't even button anymore or fasten. I don't have the issue with this. So this zipper works just fine too. And I just like to keep paperwork inside of here. Like paperwork, envelopes. I bought an air fryer recently, and so I have the book in there. Like most of you guys know, I travel a lot, so I keep things I don't want to lose inside of here. And I think I'm still going to continue using this pouch even if I'm not using the tote, because it's just super small and simple and it fits in most book bags or most totes. So I really like this, and it still looks really good. You know, after using it for about a year, I don't have any issues with the pouch itself. It looks really good. It still looks black, like everything still looks black, not ashy black, not grayish, nothing. And then of course the strap. So I keep this inside the bag. Even if I'm not using it, I never detach it because I don't want to lose it. So what I do is I like to keep it latched on this side, and I'll just stick it inside the bag when I don't want to use it and carry it as a cross body. I'll just keep it on this side, keep it latched up, and the zipper is on this side. So I will just zip it up just like that. And if I ever need to use it, it's there. It's there. I can still use it like this, zip it up all the way, take it out, and latch it back whenever I want to use it. The plus with this is that it has a padded shoulder strap, so that's super comfortable, super thick. Very nice. And because this is not metal, it's plastic, so there isn't any tarnishing going on there either. It looks as if I just purchased it still a whole year later. And it's really easy to open and close. Real easy. Both sides look the same. Show them both up close. It's more of a matte black, smooth texture. And I'll show you the bottom of the bag. There's a leaf in here. There's a leaf in here. So here's the bottom of the bag. Bottom of the bag. Still clean, still new. It's not toe up. All the pouches are still usable. Nothing has fallen apart. You can see the pouches right there, the slips to put in pens, paperwork, wallets, card holders. Everything still looks really good. Hope the lighting is all right for this video. And I will go ahead and show you what you can typically put in here. Me having used it for a year, I already showed you guys how I would use it, you know, for work purposes. And I'll show you how you could use it for, like, you know, a casual outing with the girls, or maybe going to a coffee shop, not really going to do full work like at an office, but going to a coffee shop. You know, you might want to keep, if you have an iPad or a tablet, I would personally keep this in the outside of the pouch. You could put it in the pouch that's built in right here, or you can keep it outside. I would just put it on the outside, and I would put the heavier item, which is the laptop, in the pouch here. And it fits just like that. And you can use this top strap to fasten it, just like that. Hopefully you guys can see that. The larger item, more stable. So the MacBook that I'm using is a 13-inch, and the iPad Pro is a 11-inch, I believe. iPad Pro 11-inch, I think. And then of course, you know, you might take a pouch with you. This is a Smaller But Good by Louis Vuitton, the push accessory. You can use it as a wristlet when using this bag. So I would just slide it inside next to the iPad. And basically you have everything you would need. And more space to do whatever you want with. So yeah. Go ahead and zip that up. I like to tuck this piece in or it'll just hang like that on the side. I don't like that. I'll just tuck it in just like that. And of course you need to stay hydrated, honey. So here goes a bottle of water. And you need a mask. So let's just pretend, what is this? This is a sock on the floor. Let's pretend this is a mask. It's a sock. And you can slip the mask in the back. In the back right here. Boom. Voila. So the wear and tear on the Beis book tote is very, very minimum. Nothing to cry home, nothing to write home about, nothing to cry about, nothing to be upset about, because it's definitely well worth the money. Like I said, if it bothers you to see the thread coming off like that, you can easily just snip it and it'll pop it back into shape the way it looked when you originally purchased it. Oh yeah, there's also a little bit on the, did I already show you guys this? The handle part. So yeah, just small things like that. But it's not a big deal. You can fix it easily. Can you see it? Yeah, the piece is right there. Can you see it? Yeah. So that is my 1-year review of my Beis work tote. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.